Thanks to this, say goodbye forever to this problem. If your hair has started to look gray, but you do not want to dye it, this may be the perfect solution for you. All you have to do is prepare the following recipe to get rid of the annoying white hairs. Instead of going for a dye box and covering your gray hair, try this natural remedy: potato peels. Believe it or not, the starch in potato rinds acts as a natural dye that helps cover gray hair slowly in a matter of weeks or months. Potato shells have been used to dye fabrics and even hair from very ancient times, and, although this is an ancient natural remedy, it has remained for its effectiveness and for being 100% natural and safe. The preparation of this remedy is very simple, and you only need one ingredient: potato skin. 1. Peel 5 potatoes and put the skin of all of them in a pot with water. 2. Bring it to a boil and let it simmer for 5 to 6 minutes. 3. Leave it aside and let it cool. 4. Next, strain the liquid and store it in a plastic container or bottle. 5. If you want to smell a little better, you can add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Your white hair remover will be ready for use. 6. Next, wash the hair and then rinse and massage the scalp with this mixture. 7. Leave it for 5 minutes before washing it with warm water and your usual shampoo. 8. Repeat the process several times during the week, and soon you will notice a significant improvement. In just a few weeks you will be surprised by the results. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3. Give a like.